This video is on the collocation. So a collocation is a combination of words that are commonly used together. Just sound right. This is also a form of a collocation. So my dear students, in English language we find two or more words often together. This action of using certain words together is called as a collocation. Native speakers of English find this combination sound right. Combining any one word with any other word may become unnatural and would sound wrong. So that is why the proper combination of words is really important to give a proper meaning to the sentence. Now, what are the importance of collocation? Collocations are important because it gives a standard meaning to the sentence, and it helps in getting the hang of words that collocates one's language, which becomes more natural and easy to understand. And it also finds alternative and richer way of expressing oneself. So that is why the collocations are important in the sentences. See, there are 7 main types of collocations: adverb plus adjective, adjective plus noun, noun plus noun, verb plus expression with preposition, noun plus adverb, verb plus noun, verb plus adverb. Once again, my dear student, I would like to remind you all, please be thorough with the parts of speech, because when it comes about adverb, adjective, noun and all, you really need not get confused thinking what exactly the noun is or what the adverb is. So for that, I am telling you all, please get thorough with the parts of speech. Then um, moving on to the types. The first one is adverb plus adjective. So there are two sentences given here. Are you fully aware that Filipinos are unique? So your fully aware is the collocation used, which is in the form of adverb and plus adjective. Then the next sentence says, we entered a richly decorated room. So richly decorated becomes again a collocation in the sentence. It's a combination of adverb plus adjective. The next is, the doctor ordered him to take regular exercise. Regular exercise is the collocation used here. It is in the form of adjective plus noun. The next sentence is, the beautiful girl is staring at me. And the beautiful girl is here in the form of adjective plus noun collocation. The next one is noun plus noun, and the example given here is, I'd like to buy 2 bars of soap, please. Bars of soap is in the form of noun plus noun collocation. The next sentence is, let's give Mr. John a round of applause. Round of applause is in the form of a noun plus noun collocation. The next one is verb plus noun. He has been asked to give a presentation about his work. So, give a presentation here is a collocation used, which is in the form of verb plus noun. And the next sentence says, I always do my work every day. Do my work is a collocation used. Then the next one is verb plus adverb. Mary whispered softly in John's ear. Whispered softly is in the form of verb plus adverb collocation. And the next sentence says, Carol drove carefully. Drove carefully is an combination of verb plus adverb collocation. The next one is verb plus expression with preposition. So let us see the sentence. At first, her eyes filled with horror, and then she burst into tears. So burst into tears become here's the collocation, because it conveys the expression with preposition. Then the next one is, Lara was not able to finish her assignment because she ran out of ink. Run out of is here the verb plus expression with preposition collocation. So this way the sentences will be given, and you need to identify the proper collocations, that is the combination of words. And yes, the collocation also has to be placed in the proper place so that it conveys the proper meaning to the sentence. So that's all about the collocation. Thank you.